Ooh, Skate Meatloaf here with today's MAGA news. All the news is 100%, 30% true. Actually, maybe 100% true today. Skate was watching Sean Ryan have a come to Jesus moment. Got undiscombobulated suddenly because he's like, are you trying to say the White House is covering up for kiddly diddlies? Ro Connor's like, yeah, absolutely. There's evidence, blah, blah, blah. Are you, the White House, the one in D.C. with the guy and all the, yeah. He's like, yeah, your hero is in there a lot. 38,000 times with all sorts of gory shit. Yeah. Sean just couldn't handle it. He just went on a straight shit fit and had his come to Jesus moment. And I was like, you know what? We've sent SEAL teams that you've been on after people just like this administration because of the crimes that they're doing.